Hey guys, I am back today with another math lesson. This is more addition using quick tens and quick ones, which you guys know it's my favorite. But it's really important for you guys to learn this during first grade because when you go to second grade next year, you're going to have to start adding 3-digit numbers. You're also going to subtract them, so we need to make sure that we've really got our addition down so that you are ready to do that. You will need some kind of writing utensil and paper. I have my trusty whiteboard and marker. You guys can use whatever you have that will help you do your problems and then be able to change them and fix them if you need to. So get that stuff ready, come back when you're ready, and let's go ahead and get into it. I will add 2-digit numbers using quick tens and ones. All right, there we go. Okay, so I have 4 problems listed here. We are going to just take one at a time. So on your paper, can you please write 19 plus 11? I'm going to go ahead and make myself big again. 19 plus 11. All right, so we have 19 plus 11. We need to draw this because we always want to make sure that we have some kind of a drawing to help us check our work until we get better at it. So we're going to use our quick tens and quick ones. Remember, oh, hold on. All right, we're going to take just a little break so that you guys, can see. This is my cat, Zoe. She's very lovable. She really likes to be snuggled. I'm hoping that maybe making her be on camera will make her realize that now's not a good time because we're trying to learn. She's a very sweet cat and I love her very much. Oh, yep. She might just lay down. Okay. We'll go ahead and get out our whiteboards again. So we have 19 plus 11. Remember, quick tens look like a line and ones look like a dot. So let's go ahead and draw 19. That's 1 10 and 9 ones. So your 19 should look like this. Then we have 11. And 11 looks like 1 10 and 1 1. Okay? Now I showed you this in class, so if you were in my class, you will have seen this, but I'm going to show you guys another way that we can draw this, okay? So underneath, I'm just going to draw it, and I'm first going to draw my tens and ones chart, okay? Then I'm just going to put how I drew it into my tens and ones. So I have 1 10 and 9 ones, and then I have over here 1 10 and 1 1, and I'm just going to draw that underneath. So I have all of my tens over here in my tens column and all of my ones over here in my ones column. Now I just have to count them, okay? So let's go ahead and count which do we start with, which one's easier to start with. Our ones. So let's count our ones first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What do we do with a group of 10? That's right, we need to circle it. So here's our group of 10. Now, this can be confusing sometimes because it all is still on the ones. So I'm going to just draw an arrow over here and draw an extra 1. So that with my arrow, it's kind of pointing there. Pointing at this one. So now, how many loose ones do I have in my, how many loose, okay. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. You know, she's a very loving cat. She just needs lots and lots of attention. So, all right. So we were counting our tens and our ones, right? How many loose ones did we have? And she took my marker. Oh, here it is. All right. Yeah, we have no loose ones. There's no ones diddy-bopping outside of that circle. So in our ones column, we have a 0. And then how many tens do we have now? 1, 2, 3 tens. So how many is 3 tens? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So our total is 30. 19 plus 11 equals 30. All right, let's try one more. Let me go ahead and make myself small so you guys can see. Let's do 19 plus 13. 19 plus 13. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make myself big again. You should have 19 plus 13 written. All right, so we need to draw it, right? So I'm going to draw my 110 and my 9 ones, and my 110 and my 3 ones. And then I'm going to put them in my tens and ones chart, because I think that for some of us that this is hard, this kind of helps using a tens and ones chart. So I've got 110 and 9 ones, and then I've got 110 and 3 ones. So your paper should look like this. Go ahead and push pause until you can have it looking like this, and then we'll move on, okay? All right, so hopefully your paper is looking like this again. First thing we need to do is count our ones. We want to start with our ones because it's easier, not because we have to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, what do I do with a group of 10? That's right, I need to circle it. And then I have 2 outside. Now with my group of 10, I'm going to draw my arrow so that I remember I have moved my 10 into my tens column, okay? So now I need to count my ones. How many loose ones do I have diddy bopping outside of that circle? 2. 1, 2. So in my ones column, I have a 2. And now I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3. In my tens column, I have a 3. What number is 3 tens, 2 ones? 32. Okay? All right. Let's try one more. And I'm going to show you one more way that you can count if this is hard for you. So if you can write 18 plus 15 for me, what's our problem? 18 plus 15 equals some number. Go ahead and draw your tens and ones underneath. Okay. We're still going to use our tens and ones chart. Going too far. Okay. So make sure that your board looks like this. Okay. Now we're going to just count it. All right. So we're going to still start with our ones. 1, 2. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you guys the other way. If you have not been able to do the tens and ones like I just showed you, then you can use this way. If you can do the tens and ones, please use that, because that is going to be so much faster and so much easier. This is just for if you're still struggling with getting the right answer, okay? So we're going to go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So what's my answer? 33. Now, just to show you guys, I can still do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my group of 10. Draw my arrow so that I've got it now over there in my tens. How many loose ones? 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. This way is faster, but if it is still hard, go ahead and use the counting, okay? So there is our answer of 33. All right, I am going to make myself small, and I want you guys to go ahead and try these 4 problems, okay? First, let's read them together, and then I want you guys to go ahead and push pause, Get these done however it is best for you. The only thing I ask is that you do not draw circles, all circles, because that is going to take you way too long. So use your quick 10s and your 1s and then count them however is best. Okay, let's go ahead and read these though. So first we have 18 plus 12. Then we have 17 plus 17. 17 plus 16. 16 plus 15. Go ahead and pause, get those answers, and come back and check. All right, let's check your work. So we have 18 plus 12 equals 30. And then over here, we have 17 plus 17 equals 34. All right, let's check the next two. All right, 17 plus 16 equals 33. And 16 plus 15 equals 31. How'd you guys do? I hope you guys did well. I hope this is starting to make sense as you try it more and more. All right, here's your next set of 4 problems. Go ahead and get them done. Push pause. Come back when you get done. All right, our numbers are getting bigger, so let's go ahead and read these. Oh, I'll make myself big so you guys can see real well. All right, so 17 plus 23 equals 40. 27 plus 25 equals 52. 24 plus 29 equals 53. And 34 plus 27 equals 61. How'd you guys do? Awesome. All right, I'm going to give you guys a couple more practice problems, and then I want you to come up with some on your own. Practice at home, all right? Okay. Here's your first 8 problems. Go ahead and do them however you need to, and then come back and check your answers when you get done. All right, guys, let's check your work. So for A, let me make myself big so you can see them again. All right, so for A, we have 19 plus 12 equals 31. For B, 18 plus 12 equals 30. C, 19 plus 13 equals 32. D, 18 plus 14 equals 32. E, 17 plus 14 equals 31. F, 17 plus 17 equals 34. G, 18 plus 17 equals 35. And H, 18 plus 19 equals 37. You guys did a great job today. I know you're working hard. I know you guys are doing your best to learn. I'm super, super proud of you. I hope you guys had a good time. Go ahead and practice some more. If there's anything that you want to learn, please leave me a message, either on Class Dojo or down in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.